if you have guests or relatives or you can have a holiday, you can do this delicious recipe with less ingredients and very tasty. For this we need to cut the vegetables like beans, carrot and potato. I am adding here mushrooms. I am taking a big vessel and adding 1 liter of water. Then add simple masalas, 1 bay leaf, 1 green cardamom, 3 cloves and 1 or 2 inch of cinnamon, 1 anise flower, 2 Marathi mugi, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon oil, then 2 slices of lemon and 4 slices of green chilli. Then boil this water. Now wash half kg rice properly. 2 to 3 times wash. You can use normal rice or basmati rice. Wash and keep aside. Once water boiled, we can add rice. Now water is boiling. Now remove water, then add rice to boiling water. One pack of mushrooms. Take fresh mushrooms, then wash 2 to 3 times. Then cut into 2 parts only. Do not cut small pieces. Now rice cooked 60%. 1 or 2 minutes it will cook 80%. Then we can strain the rice. Now meantime we will beat the 4 tablespoons of curd. Now 80% cooked rice. Then remove excess water. Then cool down this rice. Then transfer to curd into big vessel. Then add masalas. 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of green chilli paste, half teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of biryani masala, 1 teaspoon salt and chopped mint and coriander. Then half cup of fresh peas, half cup of carrot and beans, large pieces of potato, 2 potatoes added here. Then add mushrooms. These all veggies should be half kg. We used rice half kg, that's why. Then squeeze lemon, 1 full lemon. Then mix all ingredients well. Now all masalas are applying to all veggies. Now keep aside. It should be marinate for 10 minutes is enough. 10 minutes is enough. Then take 4 to 5 medium size onions, peeled and cleaned onions. Then cut into slices, very thin slices. I am going to preparing these onions to brown, make a brown onions. Then high flame, fry them in oil. Any oil you can use. Then it will take time. Then transfer to another stove. Then take a kadai and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Then add marinated veggies. On medium flame, cook them. Then close and cook. It will take time. Then continuously stir brown onions. It will turn to brown color. Then it will turn to crispy. Then take a tissue paper or take a ladle with a little bit, slightly press it, oil will go down. Then mix veggies also cooked 80%. Once it's 80% cooked, oil water also dried. Then add 1/3 of brown onions. Then mix well. This is very easy biryani. Then take a bottom thick vessel. Then you add fried onion oil. Then add half of the curry. Then half part is there. Then spread into equally on the vessel. Then add cooked rice. Little bit warm is there. Half of the rice add to this layer. If you find lemon slices, you can remove that on the rice. Then add 2 tablespoons of saffron milk and 1 teaspoon of 1 or 1.5 teaspoon of biryani masala, good quality take, and add it to this biryani. Then half of the brown onions added to this biryani. For this layer, half of used, then second layer we will use into the brown onions. Then a little bit chopped mint and coriander. Then add entire curry for this layer. Do not disturb the layers. Gently handle these layers. Then add rice. I find lemon and then I removed. I added 2 lemons and I take off 2 lemons slices. Then add saffron milk 2 tablespoons and add biryani masala. If you have homemade masala, you can use less masala. Then add brown onions. Two or 3 people can eat this quantity of biryani. Then chopped mint and coriander, 1 tablespoon of ghee. So beautiful. Now take a chapati dough and dum it. Keep the edges as shown. Then close with lid. Then slightly press it. Make sure there is no gaps. Now going to preparing raita. Here 1 cup of curd and 1 or 2 onions and cucumber, green chili and coriander, salt. After 20 minutes it will be cooked. Then leave to 10 minutes. Later we will open this. Now hot biryani is ready. This is equal to non-vegetarian biryani. Why? Because we used mushroom, potato, all 3-4 type of vegetables. Then side dish. Now I am going to taste it. It's a cooked well. We can see, check with the press by potato. Potato is a little bit crispy and cooked well. Always is cooked well. Now very tasty and delicious biryani. Please comment, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.